Oh man, how you doing, brother?
$500,000 to the franchise tax
I
board.
ain't even sit down.
$2 million to the IRS.
Oh,
And $45,000 a month for the penalties.
you ain't even see my information.
Don't need it. Also, $30,000 an hour in interest.
Interest? I ain't interested in none of that.
Did I ask? Pay up now.
I got my tax write-off.
Fuck off. Get that out my face. $300 max deduction just by looking at the paperwork. Pathetic.
Huh?
Will you be paying cash, card, sexual favors, or your soul?
I gave my soul last year.
Well, we do offer children's souls.
Did you take payment plans?
Yes, the plan is payment. Give us your money. You have 3 seconds. 3.
I can't afford it.
Well, we're taking possession of all of your assets, including homes, businesses, children, your children's assets, your children's assets. We've garnished the wages of any and everyone you know or seen in your life. And you can't die until you pay the government $3 billion. Thank you, cash or card. Cash or card?